Hey guys, Brian the 3D print creator here, and this is just a very short update video about my website that I created, the 3D-PrintCreator.com website. And I just want to let you know that there's some new functionality added and I'm very proud at it. So please take a look with me to what I added. So this is at this moment how the website looks, and this is just a blog post. We have all the latest videos here that I made, and the great thing is that now you can also take a look in all the parts that I've created and basically what my videos are about. So here I have a video about the solder fume extractor that I made, and this is the part how I created it. So there is a little bit of info, there is the video that you can watch, and there is this part that you can scroll through. And sometimes I'll also share my part. So for example here, you can take a look at how I created the tripod holder for an upside down tripod. And here is the part that I've been making for it. And you can also download it here. So you click on the button, download it here, and then you will be brought over here where you can select the download button, and then you can get the file to your computer. So yeah, I've really been working on my website lately, and I hope you like it. So please take a look at my website, 3D-PrintCreator.com. And thanks for watching. Please also like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.